Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how you can listen to your garage door opener using HDSDR, but this will also work on SDR Sharp or any other software. So I have this on AM. I have it up around 315 megahertz because that's what these run on. So if I just push this together here and make this garage door open and close, as you can see, there it is. So it don't work very good on FM. You can't understand anything, so got to run it on AM. But there you go. Not much to the video, just the fact of you can listen to it around 315 megahertz and record it if you want to, and I guess you could possibly retransmit it, but that's about it. All right, thanks for watching.